Guys, what's going on? It's MLG Bra here, and I am just ranked up. I have just ranked up, and now I'm going to my railgun. I'm going to purchase the railgun because I like the railgun. Ooh, congratulations, 200 crystals for your first purchase. Why, thank you, game. How kind of you. I think I'm gonna go with the. Should I get the Titan? I gotta check that out. Check that stuff out. I'll ask my friend here. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think I should get the Titan?
Titan now.
What about Distractor?
Dedicator.
Yeah, whatever.
If you want to,
What about
I'll probably just stick with that. For
Alright, well that's my friend.
Read that.
Check. Yeah, but check out his channel. He's pretty sick. He's
capital I, lowercase m, capital T, H, and then lowercase h e, and then capital P, lowercase r, then a 0.
It spells I'm the pro. If people who do not know how to spell,
I'm the per 0.
I'm the pro.
Not really, it's the pro.
Yeah.
I'm the pro is already taken.
Battle. All right, let's battle. Let's battle this stuff out. Alrighty then. Yeah, I'm pretty much ready for what I got. If you're ready, come and get it. No, sorry. But anyway, this is Tanky video number 2. Number 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't remember the rest. Crap, I missed it. That's really gonna cost me later on. Or maybe it won't cost me at all. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. Cincy, I hate you. Boom! How did I not kill him? Crap, I shot him twice. That's stupid. Stupid. Give me a sec. Sorry, I gotta do some stuff. Go on 5. Go. Sorry. I had to move my Bandicam stuff. Shout out to Bandicam. But if any of you guys want Bandicam, it's free for 10-minute videos. That's why my videos are actually 10 minutes. Cause I would make longer videos for you dudes, but I don't have money to just be wasted. But anyway, they're pretty excited about this. I get that stuff. I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos. There's gonna be a flood of videos. I'm gonna try and do 2 or 3 a day. This will be my second one? Yeah, second one. I was originally gonna do Call of Duty, actually. If you can play with me on Black Ops 2, but anyway. Yeah, so you can do that, but yeah, that's my gamer tag, my MLG Bra YouTube channel. Because as you guys know, I'm super elite. Super elite. Because no, you guys know I'm joking. You guys know I'm joking. Not a big fan of this railgun. Maybe that's just me. Maybe it's just me and I suck at it. I'm gonna go back to the garage. Not a huge fan of this. But it's worth having it. Okay. I'm gonna go to the garage, you guys. Pretty excited. My videos are gonna be about 10 minutes. 10 minutes, yeah, probably 10 minutes. I will get the. I'm probably gonna get the Thunder. I don't know. Right now, I'm going to be a nerd. I'm gonna be a nerd. And I'm gonna get the fire. I got a discount. Yes, I'm pretty excited. I got a discount on my fire. Now the twins are 10% off. You know what? That's pretty nice. I'm gonna go in battle. I'm gonna go and battle some peeps. Anyway, but yeah. Anyway, they only have 40 seconds left. Those guys have 5 minutes, and you won't be missing too much. You won't be missing out on very much. I'm a Firebird guy. I know. I know. I always complain about Firebirds. Well, not to you guys, but when I was playing, I always was like, those Firebirds are just a pain in the butt. Oh, he's a freeze, dude. He's a freeze. Oh, I thought fire beat ice. Alright, well, I'm gonna sick this guy. I hate these fire dudes. I hate them, but you know, if you can't beat them, join them. And in this case, I have joined him. God, I suck at this game. Anyway, this will be my second video. I bet no one's checked out my videos by now, but whatever, it's fine. I'm not expecting anybody to check out my videos for a while. But if you do, subscribe. God, lag, bro, and this is not just my camera. Handycam's actually pretty freaking sick. I know it sounds like shameless advertising for them, but really, I'm not sponsored by them or any of that stuff. Because if I was, you know, that's not why it says www.bandicam all up in the screen. It's because, I guess, Bandicam needs their advertising. But yeah! I think my friend's trying to look up my YouTube video. He has a YouTube account too. You really need to go sub to him. Sub to me too. You'll like him. He doesn't have audio though. That's one bad thing. But hey, it's not that big of a deal. I'm a jerk. I just like to shoot people with fire. I'm such a jerk. I'm just one of those fire dudes. I hate how when you're turned around, back goes forwards. Yep. All that stuff, it's annoying. Well, the video's gonna end pretty soon. I hope you guys will like it. Talk a lot. This is probably gonna be titled Firebird and Rail, probably. I don't know what I'm gonna name it. Although what I do is I make stuff and then right after I'm finished with this video, I normally make it. But I'm probably gonna stay in for, you know, a little bit. Probably gonna stay in for a little more. Oh crap, I could have gotten that. That was just me being bad. But yeah, I make them right after this, so you'll definitely just get a peek at that soon. I'm gonna try and upload once or twice every day, and I'm dead. I never press delete and self-destruct because, you know, I lose a kill. I'd rather someone else get a kill than me lose a kill. Go ahead, kill me. I don't mind. My friend's being a jerk over here. Whatever. He has 7 videos out in the course of a couple weeks. Yeah, I'm gonna post way more than he is. I'm always like, dude, record it. He's all like, no, dude, I don't want to record it. No more like, well, you should. I'm like, why would you? And he's like, I don't know, because. I'm all like, well, bro, the people